Hi, this is your KLOTZ tutorial team. Today we would like to present you the latest addition to our FiberLink product lineup, the KLOTZ FiberFlex cable range with opticalCON quad connectors from Neutrik.
What are opticalCON quad connectors?
The rugged opticalCON quad connectors contain 4 fiber optic channels based on an inside LC connection technology.
For which application are they suitable?
Ideal with our high-performance FiberFlex ULTRA cable for harsh outdoor use under extreme conditions, for instance on stage, in rental or broadcast applications, also under extreme temperatures.
Which temperature range can the KLOTZ FiberFlex cables withstand?
Our cables are suitable for temperatures from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius.
Are there suitable accessories and adapter cables available?
Oh yes, there can be for instance adapted for our KLOTZ SmartBeam quad connectors with lens technology, with our quad fiber rig and floor T-box, or the Fiber Explorer we offer a passive distribution of the signals to opticalCON duo and LC connectors.
In addition, breakout cables ideal for connecting media devices with LC or SD connectors are available as well.
All KLOTZ fiber optic cables and systems are available in multi-mode or single-mode version with PC polishing and also in single-mode version with APC polishing.
KLOTZ AIS is certified manufacturer of fiber optic cables with Neutrik opticalCON duo and quad connectors.
Thanks for watching. Find full information on our web.